Hi, my name is Rich, and I ordered the pop-on veneers, and at first I was really skeptical about it, thinking that this isn't going to work. It's not going to fix a problem that I have. And I've done my research on this. I've looked all over the place from the cheapest to the most expensive, and even $500 was just a lot for me to spend on something like this, but it was a lot cheaper. After careful consideration, I took a leap of faith and ordered it from my wife and myself. Now, my smile wasn't the best. As you can see, missing teeth. Just being 66 years old, years of use and abuse was taking its toll. So I did take the leap of faith and ordered it, and about 2-3 days later, the impression kits came in, and getting a little excited, but still skeptical that it wasn't going to work. And so we did everything as told and directions, and it was actually fairly easy. It took about 45 minutes for both of us to do it, and the wife was excited as heck, and I was still kind of skeptical, thinking that this is not gonna work. It's just not. So I sent them in, and about 3 days later, we got a notification saying that the impressions worked. Everything looks fine. We're working on your veneers as we speak. And I'm like, wow, a little hope started to build in. And to recap, my smiles were like, my laughing was like, cover the mouth. Don't let anybody see you smile. I just got to the point that this is the way it's going to be. Accept it. So about 3 weeks later, once we sent the impression kits in, we got the little box in the mail, and we're both really excited. And it came with this nice little carrying case. It came with these effervescent tablets and a toothbrush to keep them clean. And the moment I put them on, it was like a transformation. I click. And amazing. Oh, it's just like, my smiles are like, I'm showing them off. It's amazing. I got nothing but good things to say about this. It's just been above my expectations. And I recommend this for anybody that's going through any kind of self-consciousness about their teeth. And it's just, I can't stop this. I wear them all the time. First time I put them on, they were extremely comfortable. I'll go through the day and not even realize that I have them on. And actually started to eat with them on, and I'm still not there yet, but it was like, oh, wait a minute, I got my teeth in it. It's crazy, but thank you, Pop-On. It's investment well served. I appreciate it. Thumbs up.